Nanru is also called red bean curd and red bean curd. It is fermented bean curd made from red yeast rice. It has a maroon surface and an apricot yellow interior. It tastes fat and winey. Nanru uses high-quality soybeans as the main raw material and uses red yeast rice, shaoxing wine, etc. as auxiliary ingredients. It has a rich aroma and mellow flavor, and has the effect of strengthening the spleen and appetizing. Let's fried bihun with fermented bean curd. Vegetable. Bihun. Soak bihun until softened and set aside. Mushrooms. Fermented bean curd. Two cubes fermented bean curd and 2 teaspoons fermented bean curd sauce. Add hot water and mix well. Eggs. Sliced mushrooms. Vegetable cut into section. Black fungus, remove stem and sliced. Crack eggs into bowl and beat until frothy. Heat oil. Fried eggs and cut into small pieces. Fried eggs set aside. Heat oil. Stir fry chopped garlic. Add black fungus and mushroom slices. One teaspoon oyster sauce. Add vegetables, stem, and stir fry. Add bihun. Add fermented bean curd sauce. Add 3 tablespoons water if to dry. Add 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Stir fry with chopstick to avoid bihun broken. vegetables leaves. Add fried eggs. Off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Plate bihun. Delicious fermented beancurd fried bihun is done. This fried bihun is delicious. The more you eat it, the better it tastes. Because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. How long does it take to soak dry rice noodles? If you're not in a hurry to eat, you can first soak it in cold water for half an hour, then switch to warm water of 50 degrees Celsius and soak it for half an hour. This will make the rice noodles taste the best. If you are in a hurry to eat it, you can directly add hot water to soak it until soft and then cook it, but the taste of the cooked rice noodles will be slightly worse. 10085.5. Rice noodles contain relatively high protein. Per 100 grams of rice noodles contains approximately 85.5 grams of carbohydrates that can be broken down directly, provide energy to the human body. Rice noodles can provide meals for the human body. Fiber effectively prevents constipation. Rice noodles are sweet in nature and flat in taste. It has the effects of nourishing the stomach, nourishing blood and strengthening the spleen and stomach. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.